There seems to be a lot less commonality from EU chiefs than there was even a year ago. The political stakes are higher. There are a lot of challenges with the economic union. What will they focus on today?
Hi, Francine. Well, top of the agenda is migration, and Angela Merkel. Really, the future of the German Chancellor has eclipsed the summit. As you mentioned, this was meant to be the big Europe revamp summit that's fallen off the agenda. It's all about getting a migration deal. The issue here we have to keep in mind, migrant numbers in Europe are down, but the political problem has escalated for two reasons. The Italian government clearly taking a much tougher stance, and obviously Angela Merkel, who's coming under major pressure at home. I do want to point out, Angela Merkel just spoke at the German parliament, the Bundestag. She's saying her decision to let in 1 million refugees into Germany was the right decision at the time, but obviously she is hoping to get a deal that makes her look tough at home, but also appeases and pleases countries like Greece, Italy and Spain, because these countries are key when it comes to limiting the movement of migrants in Europe.
Maria, how important is it for Germany, but how important also is it for Italy that they find a deal on migration?
Now, the Italian government, and this is key, we need to just keep pointing out that migration numbers in Europe have fallen, but it's the political discussion that has really shifted. So the Italian government is now saying, you know, what happened under the Renzi administration cannot go on. We cannot keep doing basically all the work, and we're seeing tensions playing out there. Now, the issue, and we understand, we've seen a draft document the European leaders are going to use tonight. They're going to express that Italy does need more support, and that there has to be a much more comprehensive agreement. Now, the issue is what kind of deals, specific deals we get. Now, we also know that the Italian government has said that, you know, financial help is not enough. We need something much bigger. And there's this issue of asylum seekers. That is the controversial aspect here. What is a refugee? What's someone who qualifies for asylum in Europe? That's something that's going to have to be discussed. But obviously, the Italian government taking a much tougher stance now.